Christmas, I got a fan to suck up the smoke from soldering. Not a big fan of the fan just sitting on the bench. So I'm gonna make a hood, something to suck up the smoke that should be able to slide back in and out. So wandered around the hardware store, we got the slim fit hookup. This literally slides. I think I could easily spin this around. A little bit of trimming, a little bit of work. I can have a 4-inch duct come off of the end and have this be able to retract and be hidden, sort of. I found a soffit exhaust vent. So rip this open. The intention with this thing is something to hook to the fan. So when I saw the 4 screws, I immediately thought of the back of the fan. You get the screen. Looks like this piece can be removed easily. This piece removes. I was going to go with the 4-inch duct. This should get attached to the fan. Have to do a little work to get the screw holes to line up properly. But I'm going to make that work as an attachment point to the fan. Flex fiber seal duct, flexible foil duct. Meant to fit right on here. I was going to use that end. This end's going to get modified. So, let me get to doing something. Not going to need this yet. But the fan definitely. One of the things to check is which way. So it's blowing out this way and sucking in this way. And the fancy charcoal filter. See what we can do. All these pieces are going away. Instructions don't apply because we're not doing a dry vent. Okay, I've shortened my vent down. See, there's still a hole. Took off the collar, I don't need that hanging down. But this should slide in and out. Easily enough. The intention was to mount it right here. I can slide it out. I was doing some soldering. It's adjustable. See how many zip ties it takes to hang this baby up. All right, zip tied to death. Give it the special fluid, secret sauce. Huh. Well, that's interesting. I think I got what I wanted out of that. You can pull this out. The proof will be when it's sucky working. Next piece is the fan. You'll be a big fan of the fan, as I always say. Okay, got the camera back on. This guy we are set up for test. Well, I'd have to say, if I keep my work right near underneath it, probably gonna suck some of that smoke out of here. You're gonna do a fair job. It's not doing too bad, especially to the right of it. A little bit to the left. Kind of wants to circle out. So obviously the air is drafting that way. But definitely if you stay underneath it, slide it out if I need to be out here. Okay, we're gonna try another smoke test on the hood. Hood slides out. Has a 4-inch hole on the bottom. And turn on the fan. Took the filter off the fan to see how well it does now. Got my smoke producer here. Drafting a little better than it was just than last time. Seems to pull better from this side. So thing to note. And there we go. My soldering smoke hood is up and running. And out of the way when I'm working on the bench. Definitely have to give that a try. See how it works over time. Thanks for tuning in. Zip ties to hold it in. WD-40 to make it slide. You can be out of the way, but when you're doing a little soldering, you can open that up. Have to see how it works over time. Hey everybody, have a good evening.